Audio Jungle.
Hello to all, I hope you are well is in very good health. This video it's about a cool thing, very important, despite it's simple, but it's very important, because it's going to help us to download Shapefile from any region. This site is very simple, there are no complicated things, quite simply we will choose the format you want. So for me, I will choose format for Arcmap, and therefore there are several forms in XML. There are the extensions which concerns web mapping. For me I want to choose for Arcmap. So you can give any name, so for example we will choose a given region, it is Morocco as an example. Please click on the following link. So you click on this link. Directly you will therefore have the file, which is compressed from your region of interest. Then so we will drag data which is into the downloaded file. So this is the one, their shapefiles, here it is. We're going to drag him here.